Hi Beauty Pies! Today I'm going to show you how I get my brows to go from this to this using a bar of soap and a spoolie. Okay, so this is a very simple process, but each step that I mention is very important because otherwise you won't get the staying power from the soap that is what makes this such an effective technique. There just isn't a brow gel that I have found on the market that can get my brow hairs, my thick brow hairs, to stand up, to move, and to stay all day the way this soap does. So I usually do my brows first thing in the morning, and that's for two reasons. I brush my teeth and then I have the bar of soap sitting right there. So that way I don't have to get my vanity messy with water or soap. And the second reason that I do this first thing in the morning is probably the most important reason. And that's because I don't have anything on my face at that point. So I've washed my face and I have nothing else on my face. Because if you put on moisturizer or foundation or anything on your face, it tends to get on your eyebrow hairs, and that will interfere with the effectiveness of the soap as well. You want to use a soap that is clear and transparent. The one I'm using here is by Pears. I got the soap from my parents. They bought this from India for my daughter. The soap is commonly used for babies because it's very gentle on their skin, but I know I saw the soap at the dollar store. Haven't been there in a while because of the quarantine. If you're still in quarantine, I will link down below link to a good clear transparent soap on Amazon so that you can get it delivered right to your door. Any spoolie should work fine, but the one that I'm using is my Benefit Brow Pencil spoolie. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil. If you plan on doing this at your vanity and you're not by a sink, you can use a setting spray like MAC Fix Plus or just use water in a spray bottle. I'm going to go ahead and use just a glass of water to simulate what I do in the morning. You can just get the bar of soap entirely wet, or you can just run your spoolie under the sink. Keep picking up the water until you get enough of a paste. So once I have my brow hairs combed up, I'm going to slowly run the spoolie over the top to brush the hairs into place. Only combing it down just a little bit. Most days I stop right there. Now on a day that I'm doing like a full glam makeup look and I want my brows to look full, I'll just take the pencil and I'll go ahead and fill in some more hairs in the areas where I feel like I need it. And that is all for my super simple eyebrow technique using soap. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked watching it and if you learned something from it. Please comment down below and let me know if you tried this and how it worked for you. Also share this video with someone that you know that it could help. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.